Earning $4 million a year is probably beyond the boundary of realistic for most dentists. And it certainly was for Dr. Tom Peterson when he was just first starting out. And even well into his career, he was working really hard and producing $900 or $1 million a year. But then something changed. And these days, he's producing over $4 million a year, working 2 days a week with one associate. So you ask, what was that changed? Was it the market? Did Dr. Peterson change? Did his staff step in? How did he make that change? Well, if the market had changed, then surely there'd be more dentists around him doing the same thing. But there aren't. If Dr. Peterson was the one that had changed, then what's the reason that you couldn't change and be doing the same thing that he is? And what I found is most dentists struggle not because they aren't smart or talented. In fact, most dentists are extremely smart and extremely talented in dentistry. But the problem is they simply aren't aiming at a goal that is where they actually want to land. It's not high enough. And when you aim higher, your mind is forced to get creative about how to realize those goals. The struggle that I see most dentists experience isn't because they aren't up to the challenge. It's because they aim high-level skills at low-level opportunities. When Dr. Peterson made this shift, it involved changes in several areas of his practice. And if you're not familiar with the story, grab a copy and see how he did it.